Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Car loan delinquency crisis. The impact on borrowers and guarantors and legal solutions. Car loans have become a significant financial burden for many Americans, with delinquency rates rising sharply in recent years. The combination of inflation, high interest rates, and economic instability has left borrowers struggling to keep up with their auto loan payments. The crisis not only affects the primary borrower, but also places guarantors at financial risk. This article explores the increasing car loan delinquency crisis, its impact on households and guarantors, solutions for managing delinquent loans, and legal remedies available to those in financial distress. The growing car loan delinquency crisis. The auto loan industry has seen a surge in delinquency rates, with over 7% of car loan borrowers falling behind on payments in the past year. Several factors have contributed to this trend. 1. Rising interest rates. Auto loan interest rates have risen sharply, making monthly payments more expensive. Borrowers with subprime credit scores face particularly high APRs, leading to unaffordable loans. 2. Inflation and increased cost of living. The cost of essential goods and services has increased, stretching household budgets. Many families prioritize rent, food, and medical expenses over car loan payments. 3. Wage stagnation and job loss. Many workers have seen little to no wage increases while expenses continue to climb. Layoffs and employment instability force borrowers to default on car loans. 4. Subprime lending and aggressive loan approvals. Many lenders approve car loans for borrowers who lack the financial capacity to repay. Extended loan terms, 6 to 7 years, result in borrowers paying more in interest than the car is worth. Impact of car loan delinquency on households. Delinquency in car loans leads to serious financial and legal consequences for borrowers and their families. 1. Vehicle repossession. Lenders can repossess a vehicle after a missed payment period. Repossession damages credit scores and adds additional fees for the borrower. Many families lose transportation, making it difficult to commute to work or school. 2. Credit score damage. Late or missed payments lower credit scores, making future loans and credit lines harder to obtain. Poor credit can increase interest rates on future financing, adding more financial strain. 3. Lawsuits and wage garnishments. If a borrower fails to repay the remaining car loan balance after repossession, lenders can sue for the outstanding debt. Courts may approve wage garnishments to recover unpaid balances. Impact on guarantors. A guarantor is someone who co-signs a car loan, agreeing to take responsibility for payments if the borrower defaults. Many guarantors, often family members, do not fully understand the risks involved. 1. Legal responsibility for debt. If the primary borrower defaults, the lender will demand payment from the guarantor. Guarantors must cover missed payments, late fees, and penalties. 2. Credit score damage. A defaulted car loan appears on the guarantor's credit report. Late payments lower the guarantor's credit score, affecting their ability to obtain personal loans. 3. Lawsuits and asset seizure. If the debt remains unpaid, lenders can sue the guarantor for the remaining balance. Courts can approve asset seizures, wage garnishments, or bank account levies. How to address car loan delinquency. Borrowers and guarantors facing delinquency must take immediate steps to prevent legal and financial consequences. Contact the lender. Negotiate a payment plan to avoid default. Request temporary payment relief or loan modification. 2. Refinancing options. Refinance the auto loan for lower monthly payments. Extend the loan term to reduce financial strain, though this increases overall interest paid. 3. Avoid voluntary repossession. While returning a car voluntarily avoids repossession fees, the lender can still pursue legal action for unpaid debt. Consider negotiating a settlement agreement instead. 4. Debt management and financial planning. Work with a financial advisor or debt counselor to develop a repayment strategy. Prioritize essential expenses over non-urgent financial commitments. Legal advice to seek for car loan delinquency. For borrowers and guarantors facing repossession, lawsuits, or credit damage, seeking legal assistance is essential. Figeroux Associates offers expert guidance on auto loan debt relief. 1. Defense against auto loan lawsuits. If a lender sues for deficiency balances, an attorney can challenge unfair lending practices. Lawyers can negotiate a debt settlement to reduce the amount owed. 2. Repossession defense. Illegal repossessions can be challenged in court. If a lender violates repossession laws, a borrower may be entitled to financial compensation. 3. Wage garnishment protection. Lawyers can file a motion to stop or reduce wage garnishments. Legal strategies can protect assets from seizure. 4. Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, protection. If debt collectors harass borrowers or guarantors, legal action can be taken against them. 5. Bankruptcy as a last resort. Chapter 7 bankruptcy can discharge remaining car loan debt. Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows for structured repayment plans while keeping the vehicle. Conclusion. The rising car loan delinquency crisis is pushing borrowers and guarantors into financial hardship. With high repossession rates, legal risks, and credit score damage, individuals must take proactive steps to negotiate debt, seek legal protection, and explore financial relief options. For expert legal help, contact Figeroux Associates at 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us today. Protect your finances before it's too late.
Struggling with car loan debt? Figeroux Associates can help. Behind on your car loan? Facing repossession? If debt collectors are calling, it's time to take action. Figeroux Associates specializes in debt defense, repossession protection, and auto loan settlements. Don't lose your vehicle or your savings. Call 855-658-8845 now for a consultation. Visit www.askthelawyer.us. Take control today. Figeroux Associates, protecting your rights, defending your future.